some baby ones coming up here. Now, as you can see, this is a huge piece of meat, smoked turkey leg. And instead of boiling this, what I'm going to do is wrap it tightly and put it in the oven and let it cook until it falls from the bone. I think we have it now. Okay, this is it. Into the oven it goes. Okay, and you can see here that I did remove the stems from these because I'm sauteing them, so I want everything to be able to cook evenly at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these up. And this is the cabbage. I'm going to slice that and add that in also. I'm gonna let this cool off a little bit before I try and debone it, because I don't want to burn myself. And then we'll come back and add it to our greens. The best thing about smoked turkey parts is that they are already fully seasoned. So you can either let this be all the seasonings that you add in your greens, or if you like it a little bit more seasoned, of course you would add in your own desired seasonings. But this meat, if you were serving it by itself, this is already fully seasoned. And again, that's the best part, I think, about smoked meat. All right, in this pot I have some olive oil, just a touch. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my onions. All right, this is the second batch here. And it looks like I'm going to have 3 batches to do this in. And sorry guys, but I am trying to listen to the information man at the same time that I'm cooking. And that's what you hear in the background, so disregard. Okay, got a little cabbage mixed in with this last batch. Okay, I'm not going to cover these because again, I'm sauteing them, not trying to form a liquid. And these are almost ready. And as you can see, there's no liquid in the bottom, so we're still doing pretty well. Doing pretty well. We got the cabbage mixed in there with it. Turkey is off the chain. You really don't even need to have the meat alongside these. These are pretty good standalone dish on their own. Alright, I'm going to taste them and see if they are seasoned to my satisfaction. If they are, I'm going to pull them from the heat. Now this broth that I have, I'm not going to throw it away. I'm actually going to freeze this and use it, save it for another day to use. This is my broth that I'm going to save. You can see it's already trying to gel up, so this is going to really, really be good. I have to say I can save it. It's in my freezer, and then I'm going to back them up for future use. Alright guys, our greens are ready. Our greens are ready. Sauteed, collard greens, and cabbage mix. There you go. That red onion really takes the flavor up a notch. So if you have some red onion, put it in there.